get lost and just be able to watch it. Okay? So you can start anywhere. Depends on what you're on. So that's if you're interested about space. You can go there in the Universe Gallery. Learn about galaxies, planets, and stars. Right? If you're interested about the smallest of things that compose the biggest of things, you can cross that light bridge to get the Atom Gallery over there on the other side. So behind you, that's the light bridge. Okay? And the Atom Gallery is placed next to the light gallery because if you put together atoms, you can create molecules that bring objects that could have light over them and could build life. And of course, light is only found in our planet, as far as we know. So we have the Earth Gallery over here. Okay? There's also a tunnel that connects the universe to the Earth Gallery. So if you're coming from the universe, you can cross that rotating tunnel, then you feel like a meteor from the universe, and then you crash towards planet Earth. It's a meteor that killed the dinosaurs 65 billion years ago. That's why you will see dinosaur fossils over there. Okay? And we have two theaters here. There's one over there in the Universe Gallery. That's called the Space Shell. You will lie down on these reclining chairs and then you watch the show. It's like stargazing. There's also a 3D theater over in the Universe Gallery. So expect that a dinosaur would come out of the screen to eat you. Okay, but don't worry, you'll get out of the theater alive unless you get a heart attack. Be safe. Alright? And in the second floor, we still have the Technology Gallery. So watch out for that harp without string. So it's a laser harp. We use lasers for you to be able to play. Alright? So since you know how to get around on your own, you can now explore the